There are at least 3 important steps to a successful plan when working on the internet. These 3 steps can be applied to just about any plan, and when coupled with the right amount of determination and perseverance, will result in success. But remember, you must persevere through the dry spells and difficult times. Everyone has hard times, and this is just a fact of life. The key is to keep working toward your goal and never give up. 3 important steps. 1. Develop the right philosophy. The first point is to develop the right philosophy. How you approach your business and life will determine your success or failure. Try to always be growing and expanding your horizons in some way. You might want to think about continuing your education or contributing to your local community in some way. Make sure to set aside enough money for personal development. Most successful people do not blindly follow someone else. They learn, evaluate, and make the necessary adjustments in their approach to career and life. Excellence is the goal, and continuous training and instruction are a very important part of the process. As you continue to grow and develop, be sure to find other individuals who can help in the process. Good mentors are hard to come by, but indispensable when it comes to personal growth. 2. Decide what you really want. Determine your true inner desire and then do it. If you don't really desire to accomplish what it is you are currently doing, when the difficult times arrive you will simply quit. It's a fact of life. Thousands of dollars are lost by people who invest in ill-suited programs which they soon quit. The inner desire and real interest were not there in the first place. Always remember, to be successful you must first determine your true inner desire. Identify what it is that you really want in your career and life. The answers to these questions will lead you to success. 3. Take action. Do your homework, but by all means step out and do something. Not just anything, mind you, you can actually be busy and not accomplish anything. Consistent action in the right direction will produce results. It is the law of sowing and reaping. You reap what you sow. In other words, you get what you deserve, not what you need. Plant enough seeds and you will find growth. Ask enough people and someone will join or buy what you are offering. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.